One of the team members asked me a question about how you can do the shorts. In a previous video, I showed you how simple it was just to do the 40, 50 videos for one platform first. Yeah, so I did all my Facebook ones. I've got them. They're all ready to be done. I've just done all my Instagram. I've I've done the videos. I've uploaded them into my marketing. On the left hand side down here, you go to marketing, you can see the social planner. That's gonna help. I just made a post a second ago and I lost it. Well, never mind. Let's open the planner. Now I'm going to set in mind for tomorrow, Tuesday, which is the 20th. Right, so let's have a look. We've got social accounts. We'll come down here because we're doing Instagram. Highlight the Instagram. Click here. Go to Reels. I've got to upload a picture. Let's just paste 3 hashtags. I'll show you where I got them from in a minute. So one link 7 $7. That's one link, 7 income streams, $7. I can add icons and stuff in this. I can do whatever. Just try and keep it nice and short for you. Where's that come? Right. And then, as you can see here, it's added that into the bottom there. Right, we need a video. Let's upload the video. Right, I've already uploaded the files. So I've got Instagram Reels here. Yeah, I want number one. Upload file. Instagram one. Yep. That's the correct one. Yep. No. Cancel that. I've already got it. Cancel it. Oh well, never mind. Right, why didn't that? Thought I double clicked it. Sorry, people. Just waiting for it to load here. And there we go. Right, so there's the first one. Right, so now let's post. Let's schedule the post. That's going to be. I'm going to do it at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. First one. Schedule that post. If you scroll down to the 20th, you can see 8 a.m. It's going to do the Instagram. See here? Uh, I get very lazy. Copy and paste a lot of stuff. I've got to save that one. Right, so that's the first one done. I'll just show you just how easy it is. Once you get into the groove of it, you start understanding. Right, again, it's for Instagram. You come here, it's a reel, post content that I want to say there. And want some hashtags? That's the next three. Paste them in. And we need to upload a video. So I'll be wanting number 2 next. This takes quite a while to upload and stuff. Yeah, I think when I did the 40 videos, instead of just doing the one, I did the full 40 and it was still going after an hour. So I ended that video. I know you didn't want to sit there and watch an hour waiting for videos to upload. Right, did anybody see number 2? I knew where number 1 was. There we go. Here's number 2. Right, go to post, schedule post. I did that one at 8 o'clock, so 2 o'clock, say 2 p.m. Schedule that next post. I mean, you can obviously do whatever times you want. I'm just going for every 8 hours. I think it is. Alright, so I've got 8, 2, and then I'm going to do a third one for 8 p.m. It's every 6 hours into it. So again, scroll down, work from home based business, come back up here, it's a reel, upload your reel. Number 3, this one, isn't it? Number 3, number 3. Upload. Oh, get the next 3. Copy them. Paste them into see, I like copy and paste. It's quicker, I believe. Facebook. YouTube. Right, so again, we want to post it on a schedule post. And we're going for 8 p.m. on this, wasn't we? 8 p.m. schedule post. And there you can see it took me about 10 minutes just to stick all these 3, 8, 2, and 8 p.m. Obviously, as the month progresses, I'll find out if nothing's getting open, change the times. Yeah, because it might not be working in a certain part of the world at that particular time. I mean, some 8 o'clock in the morning just before you go work, 2 p.m. probably a little bit too late for lunch in the UK, and then 8 p.m. everybody's at home. I also know that 8 p.m. UK time is going to be about 8 hours behind over in America, 6 to 8 hours behind. So that'll be landing early morning for them, between 8 and 12, which is good. Hopefully, obviously, as we go along, we'll check, update, see which are the best posting times. We can work from there. I'll be making more videos as I go along. But as you can see from this one, this was all about just scheduling your posts. I hope you get some value out of it. If you do, like, subscribe, join me in the Facebook group for bonuses and stuff like that. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care.